Ben Allen asks, do you know a way to do a porchetta sous vide and still get a decent crackling when finishing? I've done turkey porchetta, not a pork one, and that worked really well. I think you're just going to want to make sure to dry it off really well. The skin tends to retain moisture and really does a lot of popping and snapping, but I would dry it off really well and either shallow, like medium fry, or deep fry it to get it as crunchy as you possibly can. I think Kenji on Serious Eats has a good article about doing pork bruschetta, so I would check that out. Someone might have the link for that, but it's a good article, and Kenji's stuff is always amazing. So that's where I would start if I was approaching it from scratch.